Hi, this is a how-to video for signNow, the best e-signature solution out there. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe to stay tuned. To add a block, click Signature field and drag it to your document. You can easily adjust its height and width. Plus, resize it and place it exactly where you want it. You can also add a date field the same way. When ready, just click OK. And when you're all done, click Save and Invite. You can keep watching or skip all of my hard work and try signNow for free. Just click the link in the description now. Oh, you're still here. Let's talk more about signNow. It's easy to approve and send documents for signature and monitor your document's progress in real time. Plus, add e-signature workflows to your custom apps or website and easily integrate them with your current services. That's all I have to say. Now it's your turn. Please share your thoughts in the comments or click the link in the description and hurry up to get your free 7-day trial that you can cancel anytime.